Hi everyone, I'm Sabrina, lawyer and founder of Varity Law. Here, me and my legal team supports intergenerational families and small to medium-sized businesses in achieving their legal and financial goals. With our practice areas of real estate, wills and estates, and business law, we support families and businesses not through a single transaction, but throughout their entire lives. We understand that planning for your family and business wealth is complicated and stressful. We're here to make everything easy, as we present practical solutions for you to choose. Use simple language to explain complex law and address your concerns in your native tongue, whether it's English, Mandarin, or Cantonese. Buying or selling real estate is very stressful. In addition to doing things like finding your dream house, getting a mortgage, and moving all your valuables, you also need to think about the future. What if I decide to switch mortgages? How should I go on title to minimize taxes? What happens to the house if I get married? Not to worry, all of your questions will be answered at Varity Law.
We make everything easy for you by providing step-by-step instructions on what to do, so your closing will be smooth and effortless. As well, we help you do advanced planning so you can feel secure in your ownership and make tax-efficient decisions. Whether it's the purchase, sale, or refinance of residential or commercial properties, or whether we're representing lenders and securing their interests, we're here for you every step of the way.
Hi everyone, I'm Joanna, a Toronto-based realtor with over 10 years of experience. I have worked with Sabrina and her law firm for over 7 years now, and my clients keep on going back to them. Varity Law understands each client's situation is unique, and they help them with long-term planning beyond a single transaction. Varity Law presents and explains options to clients instead of just telling them what to do. If you want long-term quality real estate services, I highly recommend Varity Law.
Losing a family member can be the hardest thing you'll ever experience. I know how that feels, as I lost my mom. Unfortunately, immediately after their passing, you must apply to unfreeze their assets and pay back their debt in order to avoid interest penalties or worse, the estate falling into the wrong hands. Not to worry, at Varity Law, we will handle the entire estate process for you.
Our services include responding to creditors, banks, insurance companies, and other legal counsel, doing an investigation to see what assets the deceased own, applying for court approval to unfreeze the estate assets, filing for estate and income taxes, distributing inheritance to beneficiary, and adding as estate trustee.
As an independent woman living in this modern age, I spent many years building up my career and financial stability. Yet before I talked to Sabrina and the legal team, I never realized how easily my hard-earned assets could end up in the wrong hands. After consulting with Varity Law, now everything I build and I own will be going to the right place at the right time.
Being a business owner is about making money and not losing money. So, understanding the options to protect your assets and reduce your liability is crucial. While this process can be complex, Varity Law got you covered. We focus on the law so you don't have to and can direct your attention to doing what you love, your business.
We are there for every stage of your business, whether it is selecting the right business structure, writing agreement to protect yourself, buying or selling your business, and finally passing down your company to your loved ones. We can do it all. Seeing and guarding the journey of each business is what makes our work worthwhile.
Hi, my name is Alice. As a business owner and a mom, my plate is always full. I used to worry about keeping my business and assets secure, but honestly, I didn't have the time or the energy to deal with it. That all changed when I hired Varity Law. They regularly review my business with me and make sure I'm fully protected. Whenever I come up with new ideas, like selling my shares, they are always there with practical advice that helps me making confident decisions. I love working with them, not just for their expertise, but for how warm and attentive they are.
At Varity Law, we're there at all your important milestones. We have helped families close the purchase of their first house and the sale of their estate home. We guarded businesses from their inception to their winding down. If you're looking for quality, long-term legal support, we're the firm for you. From all of us at Varity Law, we're there for you every step of the way.